Alright, today I'm going to show you how we can use the Bluetooth capability in the remote audio panel. It's a PS Engineering PMA450EX-R. It's hooked to the EFIS, so if you select here, so what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to take the iPad, I'm going to hit Settings. I'm going to then go down. Okay, notice it says BT100. It'll actually show two. There's BT1000 and BT2000. The audio panel actually has two inputs. That way a passengers or pilot can actually listen to different Bluetooth. So I'm going to go ahead and select BT1. The iPad will connect and it'll move it up to here, and you only have to do that one time. You don't have to do it every flight. So you can see here it says BT1 that it's connected. So we're done here. So what I'm going to do is we'll select music here. We select a song, now playing music. Now what you want to do is go to the audio panel page here and notice the pilot is on Bluetooth 1. You can change it to Bluetooth 1, 2, any different choice. So Bluetooth 1 is coming from the iPad now. And the volume is actually is controlled on the iPad. So you can turn it up here. I'll go ahead and turn it off. So that's as easy as that. If you wanted to hook the passenger up, you would also select them BT1, or you could go BT2 or whatever they wanted. So that's how you do it.